My people, now so tragedy they happen for Nigeria. See, tragedy occupy like 70% of Nigeria. Only 30% be happy story. Oh. This one, my young girl, her name na Otunla Blessing. She be graduate for University of Abuja. She leave Oyo, go Abuja just to go collect her results. My people, now there, Blessing take loss. Blessing loss, so the good news we say they don't find Blessing. And the bad news we say they find Blessing for gutter, dead. And this gutter dey for Student Village, Idosaki, Abuja. Now there they find her dead body. They find the dead body naked. And people come they talk say this one wey her dead body naked, if it be say they rape am before they put am for that gutter. My people, tragedy, bad things they happen for this Nigeria. See, if you get money, come up from that country. If you get money, no school for that country. Which kind thing be this one now? Person go collect results now, so person take die, loss, everything happen to just one human being. This one no dey good at all. See fine girl now. See, the girl just waste. The girl just una know, my fellow Nigerians, una fit relate. You go school, do primary, do secondary, come do JAMB. Now where all the problem dey, JAMB. You go jambo till jam you. Hey, do post-year, they fit reject you for years. You go see the right exam for that Nigeria. Una manage get the admission. Some go now for that university, the person go take die. This one don't finish school. Oh. She passed through all the suffer way day. We know the suffer for Nigeria. She passed through all that suffer. Now forgot that she end dead. This one na real tragedy. I am not happy at all about this. It pain me reach my bone marrow. Nigeria they dangerous. Not as in Nigeria they dangerous to everybody, especially women. It be like saying a rape and all these kind things they happen when they useless woman finish and when they go just dump am. So everybody make una dey careful for this country. Make una dey very vigilant for this country. Like Nigeria no even dey upgraded. Nigeria educational system, abi na education system, no even dey upgraded at all. Because if e dey upgraded, tell me the reason why person go leave Oyo, go Abuja just to collect result wey dem fit mail, when dem fit send to your email, you go see your result cha for you there. Now be why I tire for this Nigeria. Una dey try to finish school, this one that one person go just die. He dey try to collect results, he don't finish, person go just die. He dey go NYSC, die. This one die. Hey, my people, I don't tire. People they lost for Nigeria. People they die for Nigeria. Economy they fall. Hi, this country we dey na set up. Now my final decision be that Nigeria na complete setup. See young girl just waste like that. For result we then fit easily email to the girl. May her gentle soul rest in peace. This one pain me. Person we don't finish school. May her gentle soul rest in peace. And the people wey do this thing, they no go see peace. So till they come out talk. If una dey watch this video where una dey, make una just pity this girl come out come talk. Because the kind of things, I don't know the prayer where this girl pray before she died for una. Make una come out talk. Oh, wherever una dey, I beg my people, make una try trace this matter. Police, army, military, I beg. Make una try know wetin do this girl. How dem go just find her dead body for gutter? No evidence, nothing to prove wetin happen to the girl. Ha! This Nigeria, I don't tire, beg. And I go dey pray say dem find this person. And if I get any update concerning this matter, I go bring am as e dey hot for this channel. Make una know wetin dey. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have anything to say. And I will see you guys in the next video.